If you're a nervous presenter, something to bear in mind is that nerves are normal. In fact, nerves are almost necessary. And in fact, on top of that, nerves can be useful. It's absolutely nervous to get normal when you're presenting. I've been presenting for years, I do it regularly, and I get nervous. Thankfully, my nerves don't overwhelm me. I know how to control them, and actually I can sort of really add them into it gives me energy, gives me that adrenaline buzz. But nerves are a useful part of presenting in many ways because you do get that adrenaline coursing around your body. Now, that can kick into fight or flight. And if you start getting into flight mode, then there's a problem. But if you can control that adrenaline and almost enjoy it, that adrenaline will help keep you sharp. They'll help you to remember what you're going to say. Will actually make your presentation better. So don't necessarily fight it. You need to be able to control the fact that you are nervous. You need to make sure it doesn't overwhelm you, but with some relaxation, some deep breathing, you can actually help to bring that adrenaline level down. Slow it down. Pause. Relax. Let your body relax. And actually that adrenaline level will start to drop. You can come back into control and then you'll be a better presenter. Now some people need to do that. They need to relax. They need to let it go. Other people actually need to pump it up. They need to sort of energize themselves somehow. You'll often see people presenting, I see them jogging on the spot and jumping up and down and things. And that's actually them controlling their nerves. Work out what you need to do. Everybody's different. We all have a different approach to this. So do I get nervous? Yes. Will you get nervous? Yes. If you don't, I'd almost be worried because it probably means you're not going to be as sharp and as focused as you really do need to be. So nerves are normal. Nerves can actually be useful. And you know what? I almost sort of enjoy them in a way because I know that I'm going on stage or I'm about to stand up and present. I know that that's going to keep me sharp and I know I'm going to get that adrenaline high afterwards. And that's kind of addictive and that's sort of why I do what I do. So yeah, think about nerves. They're absolutely normal. If you want more tips about presenting, in particular at the moment around controlling nerves as a presenter, please do hit the like button and subscribe, and I hope that helps.